Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we are going to be looking at basic geometric theorems, and under that, we are going to learn how to do some calculations under Theorem 2. Now, in the previous video, we were able to state and prove Theorem 2, and Theorem 2 says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. All right, so now let's pick the first example, example 1. Let's pick the first one. Find the size of the marked angles in the figure. All right, so we have a figure like this. So this line is parallel to this, and then we have a triangle this way. We have E, and then we have 130 degrees. This angle is called F degrees. Here is called G, and then here is 60 degrees. And then this angle is called D. So we are asked to find the marked or the size of the marked angles in the diagram. All right, so we are going to look for F, G, D, E. D, E, F, and G. So that's the angles we are going to look for. So let's start with the first one, and we are going to state reasons for every calculation we make. All right, so now let's start with D is equal to 60 degrees. Why? Why is D equal to 60 degrees? You can see these two lines are parallel, and you remember the first elementary theorems I explained in the previous video that says that when you have angles like this facing themselves, when you have two parallel lines, those angles are said to be corresponding angles. So the reason is they are corresponding angles. So we can use this symbol to denote angles. All right, so the next thing to do, we can also say that D plus F is equal to 130 degrees. And what is the reason behind it? That is Theorem 2, that says that the sum of the opposite interior angles is equal to the exterior angle. So D plus F is equal to 130 degrees. So we state exterior angles. Now we know D to be 60 degrees plus F equal to 130 degrees. So now let's find F. F is equal to 130 degrees minus 60 degrees. So F is equal to 70 degrees. So that's the value of F. Now the next is to find G. Let's find G. So you know that F plus G plus 60 degrees is equal to F plus G plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. I hope you remember sum of angles on a straight line. So we write straight line, or we write angles on a straight line. Okay, angles on a straight line. So these angles, of course, we know F is 70 degrees plus G plus 60 equal to 180 degrees. Now move all this to the other side, or before that we add up this. G plus this will give us 130 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So our G is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. So G is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, G is equal to 50 degrees. So the last one, which is E, as we can see, E is alternate to G. We can write E is equal to G and state the reason: alternate angles. Alternate angles. So therefore, G is 50. E is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, D is 60 degrees. F, okay, E is 50 degrees. F is what? 70 degrees. And then the last, G, is 50 degrees. So that is the solution to the problem. Let's pick another example. Another example. All right, we have example 2. Find the value of x in the figure. Okay. So this angle is angle x, while this angle is 3x, and then this angle is 4x. So now we are asked to find the value of x in the diagram. All right, now we can start by looking for this other side, that is the acute angle here. Let's find the acute angle. So for the first one, let's call the acute angle A and B. Okay, so 4x plus A is equal to 180 degrees. You state your reason: angles on a straight line. Okay, now to find A is equal to 180 degrees minus 4x. Now to find B, B plus 3x equal to 180 degree. That is also angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. So to find B is equal to 180 degrees minus 3x. Now, since we know the acute angle A and B to be 180 minus 4x and 180 minus 3x, so we can now find x. Now, sum of angles, that is x plus A plus B equal to 180 degrees. Our reason is sum of angles in a triangle. We use this symbol to denote triangle. Okay, now we know what A stands for, and we also know what B stands for. So let's go to the other side of the board. So we have x plus A is 180 degrees minus 4x, plus B stands for 180 degrees minus 3x equal to 180 degrees. All right, so let's collect like terms. Okay, let's bring out the x. We have x minus 4x minus 3x plus 180 plus 180, that will give us plus 360 equal to 180 degrees. All right, x minus 4x is minus 3x. Minus 3x minus 3x, that will give us minus 6x. Then move this to the other side, we have 180 minus 360 degrees. Okay, here we have minus 6x equal to minus 180 degrees. Of course, you can see the minus can cancel out the minus. We have 6x equal to 180 degrees. So divide through by 6. Divide through by 6, and that will be 6x over 6 equal to 180 divided by 6. So 6 cancel out 6. X is equal to 180 divided by 6, and that will give us 30 degrees. So x is equal to 30 degrees. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.